Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Elegant blouse design. A timeless blouse featuring a graceful boat neckline that gently follows the collarbone, ideal for saris requiring a classy minimal and sophisticated look. Usually made in silk, cotton, chiffon with clean finishing. Deep V-neck blouse, a bold and modern design with a plunging V-shaped front neckline. The shape visually elongates the neck and suit party wear sarees, often embellished with mirror work or embroidery. Back knot blouse, a stylish blouse with a deep back and adjustable dory ties. The ties are usually decorated with beads, tassels, or playful feminine touch. Perfect for weddings. Princess cut padded blouse. Structured design with princess seams that enhances shape and fit. Comes with light padding for a clean style hood. Suitable for silk and Banarsi sarees. High neck collar blouse. A sophisticated blouse with a closed collar neckline, often decorated with embroidery, pearls, gives a regal formal look. Sleeveless chin blouse. A modern clean cut blouse without sleeves works with almost all sarees, especially georgette and chiffon, can be plain printed or embellished. Ruffle sleeve blouse. Soft ruffled sleeves add a dramatic and feminine feel, popular in organza and georgette fabrics. Here, long detail blouse design you can use for tailoring, catalog on heavy bridal embroidered blouse. Front and back detail. This blouse features an intricately hand embroidered front with dense zardozi, dabka, and reshma. Work spreads across a rich silk base. The neckline is crafted in a deep U shape lined with a double bold gold zari for extra definition. The bust area has floral jal motifs placed to give a perfectly balanced look. The sleeves are three-quarter length, embellished with delicate but continuous vine pattern embroidery, ending in a wide cuff border. The back of the blouse showcases a deep circular cut with dory tassels decorated with pearls, drops, and crystal beads. The back neckline also has a thick embroidered broaded that matches the front. A soft crepe lining gives comfort while keeping the shape structured. The blouse is ideal for bridal lehengas and heavy sarees. Modern puff sleeves organza blouse. This design highlights dramatic organza puff sleeves attached to a fitted satin bodice. The front has a square neckline framed with small bead embellishments that adds subtle shine. The bodice features vertical princess panels to creating a slimming silhouette. The sleeves are layered with soft organza to give natural volume without stiffness. The back has a bold V-shaped opening with a concealed zip for a neat modern finish. The blouse ends just above the waist with a smooth hidden hem, perfect for sarees, cocktails, outfits, and fusion lehenga looks. Traditional South Indian temple design blouse. Made on rich silk, this blouse has pure zari template motifs woven along the neckline and sleeves. The front neck is a classic round, heavily highlighted with gold thread embroidery, depicting peacock and chakra patterns. Simple round neck blouse. Simple round neck blouse, a basic blouse with a clean round neckline, comfortable everyday wear, suitable for any sari. Plain V-neck blouse, a simple V-shaped neck that gives a neat and elegant look, good for both casual and formal sari. Basic U-neck blouse, soft U-shape, front and back very comfortable and commonly worn with cotton or silk sari. Short sleeves classic blouse, a plain blouse with short sleeves and minimal stitching, perfect for daily use. Sleeveless simple blouse, a clean and modern sleeveless pattern without any embellishments, goes well with printed and casual sarees. Front hook blouse, a straightforward blouse with front hooks for easy wearing, suitable for all ages. Back bottom Back button blouse, a plain blouse with small buttons at the back, simple, neat and elegant, plain boat neck blouse, a modest boat style neck that sits comfortably on the collarbone, best for minimal look. Simple round neck blouse. This is a very basic and comfortable blouse design with a clean, smooth round neckline in the front and back. The stitching is kept minimal to give a neat and polished look without any heavy details. The blouse usually has short sleeves and a standard length that sits perfectly at the waist. Made in cotton, silk, or mixed fabric, this blouse is ideal for everyday wear because it provides comfort and a classic appearance. It's pair well with almost any sarees printed plain or lightly embroidered, making it a very useful and versatile choice. Simple V-neck daily wear blouse. A plain blouse featuring a soft V-shaped neck that adds a touch of elegance while sitting keep the design extremely simple. The neckline is neither too deep nor too high, making it suitable for all ages. The blouse has a basic structure with clean stitching and straight cut short sleeves. It gives a naturally flirting shape without any fancy work. This style works beautifully with cotton, georgette, and chiffon sarees, especially for office or routine use. Simple U-neck blouse with clean finish. This design has a smooth U-shaped neckline in both the front and back, giving a gentle and traditional look. The blouse includes soft lining on the inside to maintain shape and comfort. The sleeves can be kept or short or elbow length depending on preference. The simplicity of the U-neck makes it easy to match with almost any sarees from casual prints to festive light silk. Plain boat neck blouse, a simple yet stylish blouse with a straight boat neckline that rests along the collarbone. The design is completely plain with no embroidery or borders, giving it a very clean and classy appearance. It usually has three quarters or short sleeves. This blouse is ideal for women who perfect subtle and a want modest, graceful look with georgette or cotton sarees. Simple back button blouse. A neatly stitched blouse with small buttons at the back instead of hooks at the front. The front has a modest round or U neckline, while the back is slightly wider to accommodate the buttons. The sleeves are plain, and the overall look is extremely simple, making it suitable for daily use. Sleeveless plain blouse. This is a simple sleeveless blouse with a basic round or V neck. The armholes are finished smoothly for comfort, and the design stays completely plain without lace or decoration. It is a very practical blouse that pairs well with printed floral or light chiffon sarees, especially during warm weather. Despite being simple, it gives a smart and modern appearance. Simple high neck blouse. This blouse features a slightly raised neckline that provides full coverage without feeling heavy. The front has a smooth rounded high neck shape, while the back typically includes a small keyhole opening with a button for easy wearing. The sleeves are usually short or elbow length, stitched cleanly with no borders or embellishments, made from cotton, linen, or soft silk. This blouse is perfect for women who perfect a modest and graceful style for daily wear or office outfits. Its simplicity makes it easy to pair with plain or light printed sarees. Simple collar neck blouse. A plain blouse designed with a small shirt style collar attached to a V or U shaped neckline. The rest of the blouse stays very simple with no embroidery or fancy work. Short sleeves and a straight fit body make this blouse very comfortable. The collar gives a polished and smart look without overdoing the design. This style is great for office sarees, lightweight cottons, and formal events where minimals is perfect. Basic front open blouse. This blouse includes front hooks or buttons, making it very practical and easy to wear. The neckline stays simple, usually round or V shaped, while the front opening adds a small touch of detail. The sleeves can be short or elbow length, and the blouse fits cleanly around the butts without any stitching. Perfect for routine use, especially for oldest women or anyone who prefers convenience. Simple elbow sleeve blouse, a plain blouse with elbow length sleeves which gives a graceful and slightly traditional look. The front and back neckline are kept simple, round, U or boat shape. The longer sleeves make the blouse look elegant. Even though it is a completely plain, this design work well with cotton, silk or printed sarees for daily office wear or family functions. Simple cotton lining blouse. Plain portly button back blouse. A simple blouse with a clean neckline, usually rounded or bowed, and a row of small portly buttons at the back. The buttons are made from the same fabric and as a blouse, keeping the design simple yet slightly decorative. Short sleeves and plain stitching make this blouse suitable for both casual and semi-formal sarees. The portly buttons and just enough detail to keep the blouse interesting but still very simple. Simple straight cut blouse. This blouse has a straight cut body without princess seams or completed stitching. The necklines are minimal and the sleeves are basic short or half sleeves. The design extremely simple and easy to tailor, making it a common choice for everyday cotton sarees and working women who need comfort and durability. Simple deep U back blouse. This blouse has a deep U shaped back that gives a gentle feminine look while still staying very simple. The front neckline is kept moderately high to balance the deeper back. The blouse has short sleeves and a clean structured finish with soft lining inside for comfort. A single tie string may be added at the top of the back just for sport, but the style remains completely plain without beads or embroidery. It pairs well with cotton, georgette, chiffon sarees, and it's ideal for women who prefer a lightweight, breathable blouse with a graceful back design. Simple plain princess cut blouse, even though this blouse uses princess cut stitching. The overall look remains very simple. The stitching gives a natural shape to the body without padding or decoration. The front neck can be round or V-shaped and the back stays moderate without any cutouts. It has short sleeves and a comfortable fit, making it suitable for everyday wear, office sarees, and casual outings. The blouse maintains a neat, smooth silhouette and looks clean when worn with printed or plain sarees. Simple half sleeve blouse. The design features half length sleeves that reach slightly above the elbow. The body of the blouse is plain with a round or U neckline. The longer sleeves gives a modest and traditional appearance while keeping the design simple. The blouse is often stitched in cotton or soft silk and works very well with traditional sarees like cotton, silk, handlooms, and printed sarees. Plain keyhole front neck blouse. A clean and simple blouse with a tiny round keyhole at the front neckline. The keyhole is very small and subtle, making the blouse simple yet a bit stylish. The rest of the blouse has no design elements, plain sleeves, plain body, and minimal finishing. This is a perfect for women who want a basic style with a small modern touch. Simple straight back blouse, a blouse with a completely straight cut at the back, no curves, no deep shapes, or no ties. The front neck is usually U or round, giving balance to the straight back, short sleeves, and clean hemming, making it comfortable for daily use. This style is commonly worn with cotton sarees is popular because of its simplicity and modest coverage. Plain cotton piping blouse. A neat blouse with thin piping along the neckline and sleeve. The piping is in a contrast color but still very subtle. The neckline is basic and the sleeves are short. The piping adds just as definition but does not make the blouse fancy. Perfect for daily cotton sarees and casual wear. Simple choli cut blouse. A plain old style choli blouse with a slightly curved front and a moderately deep back. There is no embroidery, no heavy stitching, just a basic fitted shape. Short sleeves and a near front opening gives it a traditional look. This type of blouse pairs well with light sarees and is very comfortable for routine use. Basic wide neck blouse. A blouse with a wide open neckline that stays close to the collarbones but does not go too deep. It gives excellent comfort and ease of movement. Short sleeves and a clean finish make this classic simple option for all kinds of sarees. Simple gathering sleeve blouse. A plain blouse with light gathers at the sleeves edges. The gather are small and soft, adding just a tiny hint or style while keeping the design simple. The neckline is round or U shaped, and the blouse remains plain overall, perfect for women who want a plain